This year, we see the Mana digital money turning into a top gainer a large number of weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-earn pattern, which became well known in 2021 on the cryptographic money market. How is the undertaking growing now, and what could we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? How about we sort it out? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The venture was laid out by the Decentraland Foundation back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH, which was about $26 million around then. Be that as it may, the augmented experience stage was open to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and association. It resembles an internet game. In any case, it centers around friendly and monetary cooperations among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients impart, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is separated into 90,000 packages called bundles. The underlying size of one parcel was 10 times 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area led a vote. Just later, the size of each parcel was expanded to 16 times 16 meters. Each parcel is an ERC 721 token, land. We should discuss the tokens. There are two kinds of in-game digital currency, Mana and land. Mana is an ERC 20 symbolic that assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land is an ERC 721 token used to signify the option to possess a particular land parcel in the game. At the end of the day, it's a proof of proprietorship. Other than parcels, there are roads and plazas in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but engineers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The plazas are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas and data zones. The nearer the land is to the roads and plazas, the more costly it is. The region around Central Plaza is the most costly, very much like the Central Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called regions. For instance, there are shops on Fashion Street and auditoriums in Decentraland University. Every region is claimed and overseen by a neighborhood local area. Tragically, the land in such regions is at this point not accessible for procurement. We should envision that you have land, fortunate. How might you discard your buy or resell? As the game fills in notoriety, the cost of land rises. In this way, you become a restrictive landowner who can profit from it. Lease out the land. You will actually want to get recurring, automated revenue from the procured land. Place a commercial. You can fabricate any items on their property and even spot ads. Thus, you can balance up a standard of your organization or open a display area. Open a NFT store. Extremely popular, correct? Decentraland is NFT consistent with the ERC 721 norm. For instance, computerized specialists can open an exhibition with NFT works of art. What is Decentraland, Mana? Decentraland, Mana, characterizes itself as a computer-generated simulation stage controlled by the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to make, incite, and adapt content and applications. In this virtual world, clients buy plots of land that they can later explore, expand upon and adapt. Decentraland was sent off following a $24 million beginning coin offering, ICO, that was led in 2017. The virtual world sent off its shut beta in 2019 and opened to the general population in February 2020. From that point forward, clients have made a wide scope of encounters on their packages of land, including intuitive games, rambling 3D scenes and an assortment of other intelligent encounters. Decentraland utilizes two tokens, Mana and land. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that should be singed to obtain non-fungible ERC-721 land tokens. Mana tokens can likewise be utilized to. In any case, there are as yet numerous bullish snags in the method of the bullish pattern. Opposition level $0.00020 and $0.00030. Support level $0.00067 and $0.00010. What makes eCash unique? The engineers of eCash, ZEC, expect the coin to help Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, similarity, and to be interoperable with the decentralized money, DeFi, area on Ethereum, ETH. For the coin to become fruitful, eCash's engineers expect to satisfy 5 center missions. Ensuring mysterious exchanges, ensuring the unchanging nature of exchanges, guaranteeing that exchanges remain practically free, enforcing worldwide secure exchanges with a conclusiveness of less than 3 seconds, designing the coin's framework as a public decent, subsidized by means of its common agreement. To accomplish this, the designers of eCash have spread out an aggressive guide, with plans to have canonical exchange requesting to empower versatile block handling, Schnorr signatures to empower clustered signature approval, faster block engendering through graphene or other UTXO responsibility, with blockchain pruning and quicker beginning sync Merkle's meta tree, to empower adaptable block handling, adaptive block sizes, to help market-driven development to 1 TB blocks. According to the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of eCash is $0.0. 0.0005035 and ZEC is as of now positioned number in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of eCash is 19,068,254,673,313, with a market cap of $960,131,762. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 2.14% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ZEC with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the ZEC was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.7%. eCash has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ZEC diminished by 36.109%, killing an incredible normal amount of $0.000028446 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 55.95%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $0.000108110 to most extreme normal cost of $0.0001173 in the beyond 90 days. eCash is somewhere near 67.58%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0.000208000, and the base typical value of was around $0.000188110 in beyond 4 months. eCash price prediction 2022. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ZEC, in 2022, the cost of eCash is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.000047008. The ZEC cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0000536, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.000048990. eCash, ZEC, price forecast May 2022. For May, the cost of eCash is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.0003826, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.000039335 and at least $0.0003498. ZEC price forecast June 2022. In June 2022, the cost of eCash is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.000037997. The eCash value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.00004126, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00003979 in United States dollars. eCash, ZEC price forecast July 2022. For July, the cost of eCash is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.00004138, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.00004325 and at least $0.00003956. eCash price forecast August 2022. The normal cost of eCash, ZEC, could go to $0.00004304 toward August's end. ZEC could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.00004491, with the base expected cost of $0.00004158. eCash price forecast September 2022. The normal cost of eCash, ZEC, could go to $0.00004433 toward September's end. ZEC could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.00004663, with the base expected cost of $0.00004287. ZEC price forecast October 2022. In October 2022, the cost of eCash is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.00004376. The eCash value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.00004885, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00004521 in United States dollars. eCash, ZEC price forecast November 2022. For November, the cost of eCash is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.00004702, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.00005111 and at least $0.00004520. eCash price prediction December 2022. The cost of eCash is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.00004708 in 2022. The ZEC cost could arrive